In this video, I'll show you how to order from Temu with cash on delivery. First, open the Temu app on your phone and browse through the products to find the one you want to purchase. Once you find the item, select the variant you want, such as size or color if applicable, and then tap on Add to Cart. After adding all the items you wish to purchase, tap on the cart icon to review your selections. Make sure all the products, quantities, and variants are correct before proceeding. When you're ready, tap on Checkout to move to the payment section. On the checkout page, you will see several payment options, like Apple Pay, credit or debit card, or PayPal. The availability of cash on delivery may vary depending on your region and sometimes the total order amount. For example, in some regions, cash on delivery is only available for orders above a certain minimum amount. If your order qualifies, you will see the option labeled Cash on Delivery, or COD, below the other payment methods. Tap on that option to select it as your payment method. After selecting Cash on Delivery, follow the prompts to confirm your order. You may be asked to verify your delivery address, phone number, and other details to ensure your order is processed correctly. Once everything is confirmed, tap on the Final Order or Place Order button, usually located at the bottom right of the screen, to complete your purchase. Your order will now be placed, and you will pay the delivery person in cash when your package arrives at your specified address. Ordering from Temu with cash on delivery is simple, secure, and convenient, allowing you to shop without needing to use a card or online payment method. Just make sure your order meets the requirements for code in your region. Double-check your delivery address, and keep some cash ready for when your items are delivered.